Pakistan faced another devastating wave of floods that left widespread destruction across the country. Triggered by intense monsoon rains, cloudbursts, and flash flooding, the disaster has claimed more than 700 lives since late June, with thousands displaced and entire communities destroyed.
We are facing another natural disaster in Pakistan. We have seen that more than 700 people, they have lost their lives. And around 2,000 people, they are seriously injured. And more than 2,500 houses, they have been completely destroyed. And in addition to it, we have seen and we have read, and our team members, they have shared the information that public infrastructure heavily being disturbed and destroyed due to this heavy rains and flash flooding and this cloudburst. Recently, we have seen in KPK, Baner and Swat districts.
Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, KP, was the hardest-hit province, where sudden cloudbursts and landslides wiped out villages. Buner alone reported over 200 deaths, while the overall toll in KP crossed 320. Survivors described the floods as striking within seconds, giving families little or no time to evacuate. On August 4th, NDMA's Emergency Operations Center alerted that westerly waves could raise major rivers such as the Chenab, Jhelum, and their tributaries to medium and high flood levels, urging communities near rivers and nullahs to stay vigilant, keep emergency supplies ready.
Cari fratelli e sorelle, sono vicino alle popolazioni del Pakistan, dell'India e del Nepal colpite da violente alluvioni. Prego per le vittime e i loro familiari e per quanto soffrono a causa di questa calamità.
Just a day before yesterday, we experienced that just a 5 to 6 hour rain shower, that caused a huge destruction in the Karachi city, that caused the urban flooding, and many infrastructures, houses and livestock and people's livelihood means they have been badly affected. And if we see the pattern of this year disaster starting from June till now, it is widely spread throughout the country. Karachi, and then Jung, and then in KPK's different provinces or different districts. And in addition to this, and if we see these two rivers, particularly Sutlej and Ravi, and the people who are living on the banks of the river sides, and we have seen people are facing so many challenges for saving their livestock, their livelihood, their houses.
In Punjab and Islamabad, heavy monsoon downpours inundated low-lying regions, leading to dozens of fatalities, while Balochistan and Gilgit-Baltistan also suffered casualties and infrastructure losses. In the northern mountainous regions, glacial lake outburst floods, GLOFs, compounded the situation, cutting off remote villages and destroying bridges, making rescue operations extremely challenging.
Caritas Pakistan is in close coordination with the member organization of the Caritas Confederations, and we are looking forward, and we are also following, and we are also coordinating the government notifications, and we are also making the strong linkages with the different departments who are also actively present in the disaster affected area for making their humanitarian responses. And Caritas Pakistan will continue to make its response by providing the food packages, non-food items, temporary shelters, hygiene kits, and whatever the maximum support we will be able to provide. And Caritas Pakistan has sent its emergency response teams in collaboration with the diocesan units. And we are collecting the information, but just a week back we made the distribution amongst 200 families by providing the food packages and non-food items.
Caritas Pakistan is on the ground, actively supporting flood-affected communities. The organization has deployed field teams to conduct assessments and monitor the evolving situation, ensuring that relief reaches the most vulnerable populations.
And keeping in view the predictions and the different patterns, we see there are more rains expected, and this situation could turn to a worse condition in Pakistan. And we are prepared to respond to such situations through our team members, particularly the volunteers based in different cities and different areas who are helping Caritas Pakistan for making a comprehensive response to support the people who are in a difficult situation due to the flood 2025.